This is John Young, the Weekend Handyman. We're at the CRAFTSMAN tool launch event looking at some of the tools that are going to be launched and released in 2019. And right now we are looking at a driver here. Douglas, tell us a little bit more about this driver on this new 20-volt system that CRAFTSMAN is coming out with.
Absolutely, yeah. It's a 3-speed brushless impact driver, made in USA with global materials. 3-speed, but also has a variable speed trigger. 3 LED lights on the front for illumination, made in USA with global materials. It's a part of the V20 system, so over 30 tools in the system. Some of those actually on the same battery platform will work in the outdoor power space as well. So we're really excited to get out in the marketplace. A very robust system and a really good tool in general.
Yeah, one of the things just as we were playing with it a little bit, that I like is that sometimes drivers don't have that nice slow variable speed where you can get into that, and this one does. And he said it was a 3-speed transmission basically built in there on the bottom.
Yeah, so there's a 3-speed transmission right here. So 1, 2, 3, and then also in each setting you do have a variable speed trigger.
Very nice. Great idea. Great idea. We'll put a link in the description below so you can check out the full line of V20 tools from CRAFTSMAN coming out in 2019.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.